Today I am going to take the anxiety. Myself, Dr. Jyoti Srivastava, College of Nursing, Institute of Medical Sciences, Banaras Hindu University. The introduction of the anxiety. A mental health disorder characterized by feeling of worry, anxiety, or fear that are strong enough to interfere with one's daily activities. In the psychiatry nursing, there is a psychotic and neurosis and others. The anxiety is involved in the neurotic disorders. So in 1971, Jacob da Costa that he has explained the chronic cardiac syndrome had been introduced in the psychological and the somatic symptoms among soldiers. Also, the Sigmund Freud in 1990 he introduced the concept of anxiety. So the definition of the anxiety is a feeling of uncertainty, of apprehension, uneasiness or tension that the individual shows is a given situation. It means anxiety is a one type of the tension or uneasiness into the body. The epidemiology of anxiety, the prevalence of the anxiety, we have seen that 25% in the female are suffering from the anxiety and the 15% in males. The common anxiety disorder, which is especially seen in the female, and also the specific phobia. And also we can see in the male the social phobia. That is a differentiate between the male and female anxiety. It means female that refers to the specific phobia and the male refers to the social phobia. According to the epidemiological survey, 1/3 of the population is affected by an anxiety disorder during their lifetime, and the commonly most of the females are suffering from the anxiety disorders. There is a different type of the anxiety disorder, which can say that the trait anxiety disorder, state anxiety disorder, signals anxiety disorder, and the free floating anxiety disorder. How we can say the trait anxiety disorder? It means it is a persistence for the longer time. So we can say the trait anxiety disorder. And the state, it means that is specific to the situation. So signal anxiety disorder, it means we have anticipated the event that show the signal anxiety disorder. And free floating, it means generalized anxiety disorder that characterized by the daily feelings, their feelings, it means day-to-day feeling. So the trait anxiety disorder, that the anxious person having the anxious personality disorder or the anxious during the examination, this is the example of the state anxiety disorder. So we can say that the specific to the situation, specific to the situation, it means during the examination. And the signal anxiety disorder, that this is the example of the feels anxious when sending to the child to the schools for the first time. When the child is going to the school for first time, this is signal anxiety disorders, and it means this response to the anticipating event. And generalized disorder, it means poor academic performance when it gets the solved, new worrying about the financial problem. It means anxiety, one by one anxiety is arising. And the next, that is a concept of the various response to anxiety and the danger situation. It means there are the 3F we can say the fright, fight and fight. Then fright, flight and fight. It means if the person is having the strong coping skills present, then anxiety may be adopted. And if the strong coping skills is not present, anxiety becomes the pathological. If the anxiety becomes the pathological, there are so many signs and symptoms is present, that the person and the social distress, interference with the normal functioning, disproportion with the threat, and the presence of the significance avoidance. Then What is the etiology of the anxiety? So many things are present in the in the anxiety, just like genetic factors are also involved in the anxiety, and the biological theories are involved in the anxiety, and the cognitive behavior theory that is related to the mind, and the psychoanalytical theory that is given by the Sigmund Freud, behavior theory that is given by the Jean Watsons, and the socio-cultural theory, and the life experience and the lifestyle factors. All are the etiology of the anxiety. Then how can manage the anxiety? First is if the person is suffering from the anxiety, so many signs and symptoms are there, that first maintenance treatment is given, and if the person is having the acute treatment phases, and then some therapy is there. So if the person is having the symptoms, then first we have to hospitalize the patients, and the second, the hospitalize the patient, and second, the pharmacological treatments is given, like the benzodiazepine or the antidepressant according to the sign and symptoms. Pharmacology, benzodiazepine involve the alprazolam, clonazepam, lorazepam, and the diazepam. And if the person is suffering from also the depressive symptoms, then the citalopram and fluoxetine, paroxetine, sertraline. These all are the pharmacology. And the next, there are some nursing management is there. Just nursing management, first symptoms alter the physical functioning related to this stress behavior, and the social isolation, person wants to live in the alone, exhaustion related to the anxiety and the obsessional thought, and alteration in the role performance related to the ritualistic behavior. Then thank you very much.